and welcome to my video. I'm Dr. Mahdi. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you a very easy method for growing pistachio at home. At the end of this video, if you liked it, please push the like, press the subscribe button and also share it with your friends. Now let's start the video. Please note for pistachio it's very important that we need to use unroasted pistachio because roasted pistachio doesn't have ability for germination. First, we need to soak them in water for 24 hours. I mean for 1 day. I've already soaked them. Here you can see. In next step, we need to wrap them in a wet tissue. I mean we need a wet tissue. We wrap them in a wet tissue and we need to put it in a plastic bag and it should be in room temperature, and after 1 week, maximum 2 weeks, you can see the germination for pistachios. 10 days ago I wrapped some pistachios in tissue. I mean I did the same procedure. Now after 10 days let's have a look and see the result. Oh, nice, very nice. I mean germination for pistachio is very fast. And also here you can see the sprout, and also same for this one. Now it's time to transplant them in soil. We need to plant it in this direction. I mean roots should be inside of soil and a sprout should be outside, but please be very careful. You need to go very deep. You need to make a very deep hole. Now we need to water it. And after watering, please leave it behind the window in a sunny area. And 2 weeks passed and you can see the pistachio plant. Definitely this pot should be very small for pistachio, and I mean pistachio cannot grow in this small pot, and it's better to transplant it in a bigger pot. I've selected this pot and I would like to have both of them in this pot. You should be very careful. You shouldn't damage the root. I mean it's better to take the pistachio out with the root. I mean with the soil around the root. I mean something like this. And then you need to make a hole, a big hole, and put it inside. I'll do the same for this one. Now I have both of them in this pot. After 1 year, definitely this pot should be very small for 2 pistachio plants. You can transplant them in a garden or in a much bigger pot. Now I would like to have it behind the window in a sunny area, and if outside is not cold, it's better to place it outside. Hope you found this video useful, and if you have any comment or question, you can write it below in comment section. If you liked it, please push the like, press the subscribe button. You can also hit the bell. In this case, you will get notification whenever I publish a new video. And at the end, please don't forget that life is short and enjoy it. Thank you so much, and bye.